Hey, what's up, YouTube? So I wanted to do a review for this Walmart Schwinn Boundary 29-inch bike. Now, I bought it for myself. I am not a cyclist, but I figured I could do something to improve my health, and biking was something that interests me anyway, so I bought a bike. I started looking around in some other places, and bikes were about, I don't know, they're kind of expensive, especially for me. I'm about 6 foot, 290 pounds. So I needed something that was going to be durable enough for my size. And then also, just something that I could handle on faster speeds, hills, and all that good stuff. So I looked around in some bike shops, and those bikes were averaging between, I would say, the cheapest I found was $400, but it was like a cruiser bike, and I didn't want that. But as far as mountain bikes, hybrid mountain bikes, they were about $600 to $800. And then I just happened to be in Walmart one day and I saw this Schwinn Boundary bike, and it was about $200. Now for me, I looked at all their bikes and this was the best one that I saw. Schwinn is, I guess, a great bike manufacturer or whatnot. So I got the bike. I've had it about 3 weeks, and I was doing it on, like, in my neighborhood. It handles well. I'm still getting used to, like, the spring or the shocks in the front. That's still an adjustment. Getting used to that because I never had a bike that had that. And then also switching gears was something I had to get used to also. So, and I just bought a new rack for my water bottle. It does not come with that. I bought a bike lock. It does not come with that. And I bought this little pouch. Well, I got this pouch from my old job. So, but anyway, the bike has been great. But today I took it out on this trail. It's a beautiful day, really gorgeous day. I don't use the word gorgeous, but that's just the word that fits the moment. So yeah, an awesome day. And I was about three miles into my bike ride and my chain popped as I was going up a hill. Now, when I first bought the bike, I believe it has 7 or 21 gears. I don't know how to count the gears. That's not my thing. But I'll show you. On this side, it goes up to 3. If you can see that. It goes up to 3 on that side. And then it goes up to 7 on this side. So I was riding it on the max. It took me a while to get up to this point because, I'm using different muscles in my legs. Wasn't used to it. But now I ride on the max because I get the most workout doing that. And so I'm going uphill and my chain just happened to pop. And that sucks. But, and the bike's pretty light too. How y'all doing?
Hi, how are you?
All right. Yeah, it's a really nice day. But yeah, so I'm going uphill and my chain popped. No fun. So, like I said, I was 3 miles into my bike ride. I haven't had any trouble. Just getting used to the gears was the only problem. And then, well, I don't even want to call it as a problem, just an adjustment. And then the shocks, getting used to the shocks in the front. But everything else, the braking is great. The tires is great. Now, when I bought the bike from Walmart, they put it together. It was already put together. But what I did find was, like, when I'm riding, the tire seems to wobble. So I'm not sure if that's just the bike or if I need to put it in the shop. But since I'm putting it in the shop anyway, I'm going to have them look at the tire and see why it wobbles. But other than that, the bike is great. The pedals are pretty cool. Haven't had any trouble on those. The seat, yeah, that took some getting used to, but I think I figured it out. Riding higher really helps. Let's see. These aren't bad. Like I said, the brakes aren't bad. Shifting gears took some getting used to. And yeah, that's about it. The bike has been pretty good to me other than the chain popping. But we'll see. I'm going to get it fixed and I may do an update video. If you guys are like me, 300 pounds larger, looking for a decent bike, like I said, this bike, even though my chain pop, has been good for my size. Again, 6 foot, 290 pounds at the moment. So yeah, if you're looking for something with a decent price, this bike may work for you. It's a gorgeous day, man. Beautiful. I hope you all have a great weekend. And if you like, subscribe to my channel. I pretty much do tech videos and talk about, give career advice. and just talk about my life, and pretty much that's what I do. You know, maybe I'll do some more biking and health stuff. I'm not sure. If you're interested, let me know. But yeah, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it out if you believe it'll help someone. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.